Guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a makeup haul video for you today. Obviously, as you know, I've just moved into my new place and I've had the week off work as it was my birthday yesterday, and I always book a week off around my birthday just to like chill. Anyway, I've bought quite a bit of makeup this past week. I think it was just to make up with the couple of weeks that I hadn't bought any makeup. So I just wanted to go through with you some of the things that I bought. So we're gonna start off with Primark. I love Primark makeup, especially their lip kits. A new craze going around at the moment, and it's lip contouring. So I've never actually tried it before. So I found these lip kits. This first one here is just the PS Lip Contour, the Pink Edit. It's a matte liquid lipstick and the liner, and then you've obviously got your two separate colours there with the darker and the lighter shade to be able to contour the lip. I've actually tried this one. I actually tried it the other day, and it surprisingly worked very well. It's long lasting as well, which is always quite nice for a lipstick. And obviously the best thing about Primark's matte lipsticks is the fact that they're so lightweight on your lips. It doesn't even feel like you really have anything on your lips. So you do keep checking every now and again, just checking you've still got some on there, and it's usually still in perfect condition hours later. So I'm highly recommending these. I loved it. I loved the two-tone, and you can see the contour on the lips, and this one was £3. Second one was, this must be a new collection because I haven't heard of it before, and it's the PS Tropic collection. That's the one. And this one is Heatwave. This one was £3.50, and I haven't actually used this one, but I love the colour of it. But it's the liner on it. You've got the darker shade there with the lighter shade at the top, and then you've got your gloss to go over it, or I don't think, no, it's matte it is, so it's not the gloss, but you've got your matte and liquid lipstick to go over the top of it. So I'm quite intrigued to see that one, see what that one's like, but I love the colour of it, and again, it's matte. I love my mattes. Also, I've gone all natural for you, because I think it's always quite good to be able to see somebody who does like makeup videos, to be able to see what they look like with and without makeup on. And to be honest, I just didn't want to put any back on tonight. Also had myself a bit of a haircut, so I've gone quite a bit shorter, and this is also natural, so this is why it looks like a bit of a frizzy mess at the moment. Anyway, back on track. I got some more of the metallic body paint. I think a couple of videos ago, did I put it in a video? I don't know if I put it in a video, but it's definitely on my Instagram, on one of the photos I think on my Instagram. But I got like the light pink shade of it, and I have actually used it on somebody else, and it works great. It comes out really like pigmented, like really easy. So I went and got the silver shade in that one. Also got some, these last three ones I've got now, they're all the Glitter Junkie collection in Primark, and this is a 5-pack, and it's the body and hair stencils, which I was quite intrigued about. Yeah, so you've got your mermaid scales, your stars, nice, it's your leopard print, your flowers, and your zebra. So I'm looking forward to using those to see what they like. I'll definitely do a video with those, and I'll probably use the metallic body paints that I've got as well, so you can see how they work. Finally, my final item from Primark. I've had some false lashes from there before, and I wasn't really that keen on them, but these ones, they were kind of like hard to pass because they're so glittery. They've got like little sequins on them, and they look so nice. I kind of had to buy them. That's also from the Glitter Junkie collection, and those were £3. I didn't say the price of that. That was £1.50, and the stencils were also £1.50. So not a bad shop from Primark, I would say. The next place that I bought some stuff from was actually Superdrug. They're doing 3 for 2 on makeup, so I did 3, I think it was on all makeup. can't remember now. Or it was just 3 for 2 on Makeup Revolution. But yeah, so first one I got was the Open and Bright Your Eyes, which is the Inner Eye Brightness Stick. I've actually used this a couple of times and it's actually really nice, and it does just brighten the eyes up that little bit. It's in the shade Nude, and can't remember, was it maybe £4? See, they don't have a price on these and I can't really remember, but I think it was £4. Next thing I went for was, a lot of people are raving about these at the moment, and they're the liquid highlighters. The colour, the one that I did actually really want, they didn't actually have any left, so I went for this one, and this is the shade Liquid Euphoric Gold. So I've actually used this as a highlight just on my cheekbones, and I've also used it where I've mixed it in with my foundation. Mixing it with the foundation, I can't say I really saw a difference in it. I didn't, maybe I might try it again and maybe put a bit more in it, but I put 1 drop, because if you squeeze it, you literally have the drops like that. And I think I maybe put 1 or 2 drops in it, so maybe I might try it again by putting a bit more in, but I wasn't overly impressed. When I used it on my cheekbone, I thought I put too much on, and it took me a while to try and blend it, but I found that it went, because I think I put a bit too much on, it blended a bit too far away from the cheekbone. I think I definitely want a bit more practice with it maybe, but I don't want to, I still love the idea of them, and they've got some really nice other shades, so I don't really want to cancel that out straight away. The next one that I've got is a matte lip kit. The other one that I bought was actually in the shade Rain, and I loved it. The only thing that I found with it is that I find it quite sticky. Considering it was a matte shade, I still find it quite sticky, like by pressing your lips together or anything like that, I felt it was quite sticky. But I still enjoyed it, I still like them, so I still wanted to give them another go. So this is the shade Regal, which I've heard rave reviews about. I haven't actually used it yet, so I am looking forward to that. If anybody hasn't tried Makeup Revolution's makeup, they really should give it a go, because they do some awesome eyeshadow palettes as well, like the pigmentation in them is awesome. And obviously the lip kits. Next up, I went into Boots. Didn't really buy a lot from there, because I actually went in there to go get something from Urban Decay, but then realised that they'd taken the Urban Decay section out of the Boots. And so the only thing I ended up getting then was some more foundation. I'm not sure whether or not they had started discontinuing it, but I can't get it from the Boots in the town that I live in. So I actually tried the Infallible Total Coverage one in the shade Natural Rose. And it's completely, I would definitely say full coverage. It's a bit too thick for a daytime, so I actually went back and got some of that. So I think that'll be my day one, and that's my night one. But still definitely my favourite foundation is the L'Oreal 24-Hour Matte. I went into TK Maxx very briefly to go, they've got a new home section in there. I can't remember what it's called now, it's home wear, home scents, can't remember. Anyway, so I went and had a quick look at the makeup, and they actually had more there than I've actually seen, and they had a lot of the Gigi Hadid collection stuff. There was a lot of that there. I didn't get any because I haven't heard brilliant things about them. Maybe that's why there was so much of it there. They did actually have a Tarte palette there, which I was so stoked about when I saw it, but it was in the big thick plastic protective containers, so I couldn't see what the palette was or what it looked like or what shades were in there or anything like that, so I was really annoyed about that, so I didn't get it. But I did, just before I was about to leave, come across this. This is my primer. I absolutely love it. It's the best primer I've ever used, and it's the L'Oreal Lumi Magique primer. I think this has been discontinued now, which I'm absolutely gutted about. And I haven't tried the replacement of it yet, but I saw this and it was $4.99, so that was down from $10.99 down to $4.99, so I jumped at the chance of buying that. Unfortunately they only had the one, otherwise I would have bought more of them. I wanted to touch on a couple of makeup items that I've recently started using and I've fallen in love with and definitely want to rave about them. And the first one is this BOUTANIQUE Beauty, and it's the Full and Tame Brow Gel. I actually got this in my Birchbox a couple of months ago and I hadn't really used it, and it's only been recently where actually I started to use it, and I absolutely love it. I always get comments on my eyebrows when I've got it on and would highly recommend it. I think it's £8.50 on Birchbox. I think it was either £8 or £8.50 for one of those off Birchbox, but I'm highly recommending them. And the next one is the California Blush by Benefit. I've been wanting to try it for a while, and then obviously, like I think I said in a previous video, that I actually found it in these little Benefit tins that I bought at Christmas time, little gift sets, and I was absolutely stoked. But that's the shade of it. It's like a coral colour, but a little goes a long way in this shade, but it's perfect shade just to highlight your cheeks a little bit with a bit of corally pinky colour. Perfect shade for the summer anyway. I have, I think, just put up on my Instagram page the photo of what was inside my Birchbox, which arrived yesterday on my birthday. So I was chuffed with that. And then also what arrived on my birthday yesterday, which I wasn't expecting, was my new Morphe palette. I think you all know how much I loved my last Morphe palette, because I think I use it in every video. But I was actually watching a Jaclyn Hill tutorial maybe a month or so ago, and it was just like a bit of an easy smoky eye tutorial, and I absolutely loved it. She made it look so easy as well, and she completely sold this palette to me. But it's only the smaller one, and it's the 25A Copper Spice palette. Oh, this is what it looks like. So you've got a lot of all your matte shades at the top there, and then at the bottom you've got your shimmers. It's so nice. Like, my eyes completely lit up as soon as I opened it. So I bought that, and I cannot wait to use it. I haven't used it yet, obviously, as you can see. But I also got 2 Morphe brushes as well, because she also raved about these. And the first one that I got is the M506. Yeah. Let's see my face. That's what it looks like. I just dropped the other. This one is the M4331. And these are the ones that she used these in the video and absolutely raved about them. So if you haven't checked out, well, if you love makeup, I'm sure every person has checked out Jaclyn Hill. If not, you really should, because she's so amazing at what she's doing with her makeup videos and just her makeup channel. And she's just funny and beautiful, and I absolutely love her. So thank you so much for helping me buy these. If you enjoyed the video, you know the usual, smash the thumbs up just down below. Follow me on Instagram, which is holly_rutter, and follow me on Twitter, and that is @holly_makeup. Let me guys know what you think of the video just in the comment section just down below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care.